In the heart of Shanghai's financial district, in the soaring heights of the Lujiazui skyline, a new pinnacle of luxury has been reached. Rising above the clouds, the J Hotel Shanghai isn't just a place to stay, it's a destination that redefines the word high. But what makes this hotel truly special? Let's find out. Hi, and welcome to the J Hotel, one of the highest hotels in the world. Perched atop the 632-meter Shanghai Tower, China's tallest skyscraper, the J Hotel soars from the 84th to the 120th floor, offering a literal bird's-eye perspective on the city. And the accolades don't stop there. At 556 meters above the ground, the J Hotel's Heavenly Jin restaurant on the 120th floor holds the Guinness World Record for the highest restaurant in a building. But, as you're about to see, this hotel is more than just a number. The experience begins the moment you step inside. The design, led by novelist Lev Haiyan and legendary designers Robert Blackie and Oscar Lianas, it is a masterpiece in blending east and west. Guests are greeted by 6 towering crystal columns, standing before the grand 8-meter high Shikumen Gate, a traditional Shanghai architectural feature first appearing around 1860 with a combination of Chinese and European elements, a partnership which made Shanghai the powerhouse it is today. Through that gate, you get hit with very refreshing air and the smell of these beautiful flowers. This instantly cools you down, taking you out of that typical high humidity of Shanghai, and you really feel like you're walking into a Chinese wet dream. Then, ascending to the 101st floor lobby, you're welcomed by French artist Pauline Aurel's enchanting wire mesh ballerinas, seemingly floating in mid-air. Throughout the hotel, you'll find over 1,000 specially commissioned artworks, including mosaics, lacquerware, and red glazed hallways that turn the entire property into a living museum of modern Chinese art. Hello, and welcome to our room at the J Hotel in Shanghai Tower. There are 165 rooms and suites, which each offer a sanctuary in the sky, with 2 distinct styles: modern rooms that are dazzled with Magnolia crystal glass and Italian calfskin walls, and new Chinese rooms which transport you with jade tea tables and dragon patterned fabrics. Today, we're stepping into the stunning modern rooms. From the moment you arrive, you're enveloped in an artistic atmosphere, with the hallways and rooms featuring elegant decor in warm off-white tones. Even the entry-level rooms at the J Hotel are vast, starting at a generous 61 square meters and offering separate living areas and walk-in closets. But the real star is the view. Because of Shanghai Tower's unique spiral design, every single room offers a complementary, unique perspective of the city below. You can lie in bed and gaze out on the iconic Oriental Pearl Tower, the historic Bund, and the winding Huangpu River. You can see more of that on my next video.
Hi, welcome to the Bund.
Hey, ni hao. This is Xizhang Road Bridge. Crossing Zhuzhou Creek, at first glance, is just a busy crossing, but in 1937, this bridge became a front row seat to one of the most heroic last stands of the Second Sino-Japanese War. Back to the hotel. The bar comes with everything you expect. A including a large fridge to hold your $1 bucket of watermelon. The bathroom is also a masterpiece, with heat and heat sinks, a heated bidet toilet. Toilet, obviously privacy covered glass, an automatic seat, and this seat is always warm. Rain shower, Aqua de Parma toiletries, and a stunning magnolia-shaped bathtub, perfect for soaking in while you're taking in the view. Technology is woven seamlessly in, with an iPad controlling the lights and curtains, and all the TV and wire connections are in one desk drawer. The housekeeping will even tie up your cables with J Hotel branded cable ties. Okay, enough of the room, let's check out the rest of the hotel. Breakfast is served in the elegant 101st floor restaurant from 7 to 10:30 on weekdays and till 11 on weekends. This isn't your ordinary hotel breakfast, it's a semi-buffet combining a lavish self-service spread with made-to-order dishes straight from the kitchen. My favourite dish was the tossed Shanghainese noodles with spring onion, perfect for breakfast in the clouds. When you're ready to come back down to earth slightly, head to the wellness centre on the 84th and 85th floors. First, the fitness studio. This isn't a typical hotel gym. With floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the Huangpu River, you'll run, lift and stretch at over 300 metres in the air. It features state-of-the-art techno gym equipment, treadmills, ellipticals, stationary bikes and a full range of free weights. There is also a fitness concierge available. Certified trainers for your personalised yoga, interval training or guided stretching sessions. Whether you're a marathoner or a beginner, you'll find your rhythm here. The crown jewel of the wellness centre is the high altitude pool. Spanning 160 metres, the indoor heated pool is designed with modern elegance and classic Chinese accents. The pool connects directly to a 130 metre viewing platform. You can step out here after your swim and enjoy the skyline. Doing this at night when the city is lit up is absolutely stunning. Of course, no luxury hotel is complete without world-class dining, and the J Hotel delivers with 7 unique restaurants and bars. On the 120th floor is a place that truly lives up to its name, Heavenly Jin, located a staggering 556 metres above the ground, making it a Guinness World Record holder for the highest in-structure restaurant, the absolute pinnacle of Shanghai's dining scene. But expect to pay heavenly prices, with dinner being around 1,600 yuan or $235 per person. You're greeted by a magnificent 30-metre mosaic mural crafted from dozens of Italian mosaic materials, depicting the bustling scenes of the ancient Silk Road. Above you, a ceiling of ribbon-like crystal lights shimmers like a sky full of stars, setting an unforgettable backdrop for your meal. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer a 360-degree view. You feel as if you're floating above the iconic Oriental Pearl Tower and the historic Bund, looking out over the distant horizon where the mighty Yangtze River meets the Pacific Ocean. But the magic doesn't stop with the view. The culinary experience is equally breathtaking. Executive Chef Sheng Rong, who studied under Master Chef Xiao Xiaoyang, a guardian of Chinese intangible cultural heritage, leads the kitchen. He masterfully reinterprets classic Haiyang and Jingnan cuisine for the modern palate. Seasonal tasting menus are the highlight. I recommend the set menu. It changes with time, but you always have a selection of the best offering. Whether you come for lunch, a spectacular sunset dinner, or their famous afternoon tea, Heavenly Jin offers an unparalleled experience that is both culinary and architectural marvel. It's the ultimate destination for a celebration, a romantic evening, or simply a bucket list meal in the clouds. This is dining at the top of the world. We end as any good night does in a hotel bar. The Yi Lounge on the 84th floor offers live jazz, handcrafted cocktails and stunning sunset views. This was truly an unforgettable experience and I would highly recommend it. The service was just out of this world. 谢谢观看. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed yourself, please drop me a like, a comment and press that subscribe button, because there's a bigger city and bath to come later in the series. Get out and about.